All right, so today we checking in. I got a special homie on this Friday. So TGIF to everybody in AGTT, TGIF to everybody online and everybody, all auto glass technicians. So TGIF. And right now, with no further ado, I got the Bay Area homie, the one half of Cheech and Chong Auto Glass. I got the man, the myth, the legend, Drift Chris. What it do, man?
What's going on, man? How you doing?
I'm good, brother. First and foremost, let me say happy anniversary to you and the missus. Like, it's your anniversary like a couple of days back, right?
Yeah, a couple days ago, yep. Yeah, cool. 1 year for marriage.
Yeah, well, happy anniversary to you all. And how's everybody holding up during the whole COVID situation out there?
We're doing okay, just staying inside, trying to be safe as we can, and just me and Joe out there working. Streets are pretty quiet. That's what's a little crazy.
Yeah, that's what's up. Hey, we practicing social distancing right now, man. You in the Bay Area, yep. I'm in Illinois, so hey, we social distancing. So
Oh yeah.
So let's get to it. Are you ready for some rapid fire questions?
All right, shoot.
All right, here we go. How many rock chips have you done this week?
Two.
What's the most Two. Okay, not bad. 2 rock chips. What's the most challenging replacement you've done this week?
Most challenging replacement. I don't think I've got to it yet. It's supposed to be today, actually.
Okay.
Buddy rolled his 88 M5.
Okay.
And the pillar kind of crushed, so they're just wanting to get a window back in it after they pulled it out, and we're gonna find out if that thing will even fit. Right. I think that's gonna be the most challenging window this week.
All right, cool. Well, keep us posted on how that works out. If it is challenging, I'm sure you have photos and videos. And for those of y'all that don't know, Drift documents all his work, and he has a YouTube channel. He posts on AGTT, so follow him because he always got some cool content on there, and always helping other technicians. So next question for you, and I'm sure everybody in AGTT wants to know this. Are you going to get a COVID tattoo?
Oh, definitely. It's going to happen. It's gonna happen, Hey, I got other tattoos that just they're just for me, man. They just remind me of events, and this is just one of them. We're gonna get through it, and I'm gonna have a little tattoo on my arm or something, and that's gonna be my reminder of be safe.
There you go. Be safe, COVID-19. All right, so keep it moving. Next question: do you own a 10mm socket?
Yes.
Do you know where it's at?
Yes.
All right, so a couple of more questions for you. Since everybody's got extra downtime, what have you been doing personally or professionally with your extra downtime?
But like you said, I got my YouTube, so I got another video coming out in the next couple days. Got a new intro on my video coming out. Right. I've been doing taking little extra scraps of laminated glass, some sheets, and do some etching on them. So if you got a name or something, been trying to etch on there. We're doing the sneeze guards. Just trying to fill our other time with more money making projects.
There you go. That's what's up, and I'm looking forward to seeing the video that you're gonna drop, and I stay connected with you. And for everybody else, follow Drift Chris. Like I say, good info, auto glass related stuff. And he actually has been posting like crazy lately about food. This dude is he's a low-key chef, y'all. So what we want to know, run us through the menu from this week. What have you been cooking this week?
This week, so last night we just we did like a little tri-colored tortellini with some Italian sausage.
Okay.
And we did some shrimp wrapped bacon.
Okay.
Done some chicken, what else? There was something else we did this week though that was pretty good. But yeah, this week we kind of like threw it up in the air. Just we grabbed some stuff from the store, so we just kind of grabbed this and grabbed that and just make something up.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, cool. Well, yeah, I be watching the photos. I'm like, damn, he getting me hungry, man. I'm seeing these photos. Like, you started. I was like, oh, maybe just made a one time. I think your first meal was like shrimp and grits. I'm like, oh,
Yep.
that look good, but maybe, you know, maybe he just wants something good to eat. Then I'm like, damn, Daily, this dude hitting me with like good food.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
so what's been your
One of my
favorite
buddies,
meal? What was your favorite
what's
meal
that?
in the month of March?
Favorite meal for the month of March?
Yeah.
I'd say shrimp and grits, man. Shrimp and grits. That's probably one of my all-time favorites right now. I'm learning some different seasonings and stuff. Some chill out seasoning, and a bunch of different spices. Trying to get some real Cajun down south flavor with it.
There you go, Cajun. So anybody in AGTT that's in down south Louisiana, if you got a good gumbo recipe, good jambalaya,
Yeah.
anybody who got some recipes, share those in AGTT, because I'm like you, man. I love spicy food. I love Cajun.
Yep.
I love anything south I love to eat. So if
Oh,
anybody
yeah.
got good recipes, share them with us so we can try to cook that meal.
Yep, I need to make a jambalaya. That's on my list. So whoever's got a good jambalaya recipe, throw it my way. I gotta make one.
All right, that's what's up. And before I let you get out of here, I'm gonna show you my shirt, man. I'm rocking the shirt today from Crump, Terry's
There we
Auto
go.
Glass out of Georgia. So show me what kind of shirt you rocking today, man. What you wearing?
Today, I'm on the Auto Glass Tech Talk. It's beer 30 already.
All right, beer 30. And the homie Jeff Wacker say he is working on some new stuff. The whole COVID situation made things kind of get to a standstill, but he's working on new designs for shirts, and all that should be dropping soon. I know it's an announcement on AGTT, so stay connected to see what shirts are dropping next. And Drift, I appreciate you for taking some time to do this little interview with me, man.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you guys.
No problem, brother. Take care and stay focused.
Yeah, have a good day, man. Thank you.
All right, man.